Hi, this is a follow-up to my original review of the Challenger 4-post home automotive lift for storage and for doing work on cars in a residential application. As I had stated in my original review, one of the shortcomings of one of the accessories of the lift is with the rolling bridge jacks, the arms that extend outward to reach the pickup jacking points of most cars are not wide enough. They don't spread wide enough to safely reach the jacking points. I contacted both my local distributor and Challenger themselves to find out if there was a solution to the problem, if they made extension pieces for the rolling bridge jacks. They do, but unfortunately they cost $800 a pair. So if, like me, you're using two rolling bridge jacks in order to get the entire car off the runways together, both front and rear, you'd be looking at $1,600 just for the extensions, and that's essentially equivalent to the cost of the rolling bridge jacks themselves. The bridge jacks are about I think $795 or $800 per jack, and yet Challenger is asking $800 for two pieces of metal extension to get them to actually even work effectively like they should, which is a little bit frustrating. I'm not quite sure why they're doing that, but luckily I found a company, SVI International in DeKalb, Illinois, that made the extensions for me. I provided them with all of the measurements and all of the information for the bridge jack, and in just a few weeks they had them made for me. The extensions are 10-inch pieces of metal, hollow inside, with two holes. One serves as a place for the drive pin to go in, which they provide. Goes in once the extension piece is slid on to the end of the rolling bridge jack. The drive pin then goes in to secure it to the end of the arm of the bridge jack, so it's solid as an extension. And then the second hole is to use whatever accessories came with the bridge jack itself. So the jack pads that come with the bridge jack fit right in here, and then also the various higher extension pieces that Challenger provides will fit in there as well. Here I have the extension pieces mounted and in position. There are 10-inch extensions. They mount to the arms right on the ends, and you can see there's this securing pin that pops in to secure them to the ends of the jack arms. And a second hole at the other end of the extension piece to mount the jack pad that actually comes with the Challenger rolling bridge jack right there. And I also put in a hockey puck as well to give myself a little bit more clearance so that the actual body part of the bridge jack doesn't come into contact with the underbody of the car when jacking. Here's another perspective of the extension pieces. Pieces are here. This is an original piece of equipment from the rolling bridge jack that instead of going into the end of the arm, it's going to the end of the extension, the pad, and then hockey puck here to give myself a little bit more clearance in making contact with the jacking point there, and that way we'll clear the underbody of the car. So again, the process for using the rolling bridge jack is first closing the valve so that we can get hydraulic pressure in. And I have the manual variety just with the manual hand pump. I don't have the version that has the air attachment to use air to automatically do it, but it seems to work just as well manually. So now that the valve is closed, I'll just hand pump. It's starting to come up and making sure that the pucks are aligned. Looks like we're good on both sides. And if we kept on doing that, we'd get the tires off the platforms. But it looks like it's working well. We have nicely reaches the edge where we need the pickup points to be. And I only have the arms extended just a little bit because the extension pieces are long enough. I only have to have the arms extended a little bit on the GT4. The Audi and BMW are even wider in terms of their pickup points, so we'll be in good shape because I still have a few inches on either side to extend. Because the extension pieces do give us an additional 10 inches of extension on either side, that means even when the actual arms of the rolling bridge jack are all the way in and retracted, you still have the extension sticking out. So definitely necessary to take them off when not in use, because otherwise the tires, the car won't clear going on and off of the lift. It's going to be definitely be in the way of the tires. So when not in use, we'll take the extensions off. So overall, I'm very pleased with the solution that SVI International came up with for me for this, and I would encourage anyone else who is running into the same issue to give them a call or contact them through the website. All told, it was $421 for the 4 pieces, and again, that gets you all set for 2 rolling bridge jacks, gives you the 4 pieces necessary to get the entire car off from the runways, and together with shipping and everything, $438. So again, literally a fraction of what Challenger would have charged for the same solution. So definitely appreciate it. I'll put their information at the end of the video. See you guys next time.